Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about Kenya and Ireland, man. I'm going to talk about the political leaders of both countries, or at least the face of the leadership. Because you have really wonder who controlling people here. Kenyan boss named William Ruto. And of course, you know Andrew Holness, aka Umbre, aka the Asian Umbre, aka the track star. I track people now. My GPS. Kenya just deployed troops to Haiti. Ireland is about to follow. It's extraordinary considering the fact that Kenya right now turned upside down. So now it make all this sense why Umbre and the Kenyan boss gone on this crusade together because them are the same type of people. Type of people where them own a house abundant and them have time to fix next man's house. We can talk about it. Before me going to that Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to the man Hilton J. Yesterday was the birthday. We don't know much about video. So Hilton, big up yourself. Hope you enjoy the day. Football I play. Hopefully the national team can give you a gift. I wanna bet the chicken them pan it still. I wanna bet the chicken and your goat them and your cow them pan it. I wouldn't make you bet even your dog. But can't hope for the best. Hilton, big up yourself, more life seen. Kenya right now in a turmoil. Big protests are going on, much people dead. People are running up and down in the streets. Now as I say, while Ruto and Holness have nothing in common, them are the type of man where for them woman left back shot less but then gonna get next woman back shot. In another time you see what go on a film one yard. In Ghana next yard. Just a wander around like in loss. But while the Kenyan leader and the Jamaican leader have nothing in common, the Kenyan people and the Jamaican people are polar opposites. The images that I see on your screen, unlike Jamaicans, Kenyans now tear up the place for gang affiliated, freak out DJ guy. Unlike Jamaicans, Kenyans are rebels for a cause. When you see Jamaicans make noise up and down, 99 out of 100 at the time them are somebody or something acidic or destructive them are defend. Our brothers and sisters in Eastern Africa, them a fight on a protest and are dying for an actual cause. What go on in Kenya, you might be asking? Well, look on your screen. You can go do your own research in case you live under a rock and not realize what go on in Kenya right now. Bear in mind, this is the same Kenya we just gone to Haiti, so them are going to fix Haiti. This big protest, this big uproar started when the government introduced a new finance bill that drop heavy taxes. So them are increase taxes on everyday essentials like sugar, bread, cooking oil, depending on your screen. A policy that would hit poor Kenyans particularly hard. The same bill set aside vast sums for the renovation of the president's residence and other extravagant expenditures. In other words, a story as old as time. Guy a fatten up theme cow. Guy a butter theme bread. And the people are struggle. Increase stock on sugar, bread and cooking oil. Them are things we need to cook. Those are essentials. So you know say people them are gonna feel it. So the move enraged a new generation of Kenyans. A new generation of Kenyans. And like one time when some little fool guy, corrupt guy, do certain things in Africa and live good like a king until him drop dead. Them days are done right now. Africa serious. African countries them serious right now. Whether East Africa or West Africa, the people them tired right now. People them that on the circus thing. But despite all of this what going on in Kenya right now, Kenya send troops gone to Haiti. Kenya send troops gone to Haiti. Them troops them land already. See come on the papers. The track star said Jamaican troops soon to follow. The two man them when they own a house in a chaos can restore order in the next place. You can't make this up. The Kenyans who are struggling to restore order in a Kenya are going to do it in a Haiti. Man left all the way from Nairobi, gone to Port-au-Prince, prancing around. Right. In a uniform, things and the body impressed. It's going to be interesting. And Holness is dragging Jamaica along on this crusade. The man who's the leader of the country that tops the murder rate for the whole world, may I remind you. So now the Kenyan leader under pressure, them and say, yo, I'm a tough accent, but them troops they fast. Because Kenya in a state for going to go help nobody. Have enough problem at home. People them ask questions. As a matter of fact, the people them did block, right, the deployment of the Kenyan troops, and then they move hell and high water. Right, they won't stop till them twist and bend and shuffle around paperwork till them could deploy. Well, no rest for the wicked. So Kenya, hot like fire right now. I'm not talking about the weather. Iron Man, 1,000+ murders every year, Iron Man. They're about to set off on the grand voyage. Poppy show voyage. Iron Man that's already balling both resources and saying them not have enough man to lock off around a Lariston, and not have enough man to lock off on a Jones Avenue, them not have enough manpower for lock off down a Mobile. So my manpower find it way all the way Haiti. Take on a crusade. Who really control them people there? Because them can't think for themselves. The Asian Hombre aka Trackstar aka GPS. Better make sure him know him I do. But then again, maybe he doesn't need to know him I do, because unlike Ruto, who's the leader of a serious country with serious people, Hombre knows say Iron Man is out of many one poppy show. And the old time Jamaicans run up and down and get well heated and demand answers is when time they want to hear the answer for when time their favorite DJ come on road to keep the stage show. So on that end, Ruto salt. I bet he wish he was the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Because the Kenyan people tear up things and go on bad when you raise taxes on the poorest people in the country, on the essentials where people probably are struggling to afford anyway. So when taxes raise, it'll go even harder for you afford. And you're only lucky when you think about it. He's the lucky one in all of this. As salt as him be, him luckier than Ruto. Jamaicans don't demand nothing. They just want to complain. Jamaicans can demand change, you know. But they don't want change. Because what they really enjoy is complain. Just like all those years ago on the plantation. Sit down on that shed a ball about Bakra. A ball about this and ball about that. When the man them say, yo, this we need to do. Yo, my youth, brother, yo, but tell you look at your man, because but when people actually tell them how they can get their freedom, with them to kiss them teeth and tell man to suck them woman. Start out about, well, at least back and make sure so we get little like scraps in the evening time, and at least we have little roof over our head. So me I say, dog, if we go run we know, then we have to go in a bush and all them things done. Yo, Maka could have juke with dog, and in the bush rain a go fall, and when we get me on a roof, dog, I want, yo, bad to bad, but I just want easier, man. Just want to complain. We don't want to make no change. And those who do try and make change, instead of helping them, them hunt them down and bring them back to the plantation for backward torture them. Funny, isn't it? In the old days, they used to track down the runaway rebel slaves them and say, you go right back a backward for backward kill you. I guess it's not surprising for you and Jones that talk about them go track down, man. Let me tell you. Nothing has changed. We might wear better clothes now and we can spray and cologne and them sitting there, but nothing really change. Hunt them down and drag him back. Meanwhile, the other Negroes on the plantation cheer. That's right! Teach him a lesson, daddy! Teach him a lesson. Who him think him is? Make him go suck him, mama. Man grateful. Look how much scraps you give it. Look how much scraps. Nah, stop saying. Andrew Holness, when he was in opposition, tell people to raise them voice against the government, but the high levels of crime and the government not doing enough. Then he became the prime minister and he know himself to lower your voice. No must talk about the good things them. I'm telling you, it's an argument for dummies. Your lungs are failing. Critical illness. And you got the doctor and the doctor tell us, well, your eye them at work, your foot them at work, focus on that. Go on home. It's stupid. But Andrew Holness and Mark Golding, the PNP and the JLP, them know the type of people where them reign over. Them know the type of people where follow back at them. Them know the nation well. If they had to perform, they would. Let me say it one more time. If Andrew Holness had to perform, he would. If he had to deliver results, he would. But them know if you catch, put on one treat and one stage show. Drive around a motorcade and make BNIs. Excitement, that's how you win the IRA vote. Anytime you see them protest and run up and down the streets, a sci-fi them a ball for, or free Barabbas. For the video end, made them say Starman drop a IRA, man. People are balling and afraid. Jamaicans always are afraid when they see Mother Nature do look work, because deep down enough Jamaicans know say the country long overdue for a beat, Jamaica. You see, even though Jamaicans start about they love God, deep down they know start be a wickedness rain on the island. Start some dangerous people them. So people actually look out at the corner of them if you are beating, so them always look out. So when time they hear say look lightning flash and them hear say rain start fall, start worry, is this the moment? Is this the moment everything like half our country just blow away? I hope it's not the moment. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. Whole life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.